360 degrees rotation bike phone mount. Freely adjust your phone to any angle that suits your need when you are riding. The design of our bike phone mount will not block any buttons and allows you to access all the buttons easily. Upgraded detachable bike phone holder. No need to disassemble the whole bike phone holder. You can rotate phone holder to take your phone from the bike for emails, calls, selfie during a biking journey. Safe protection and shock absorbing. Different from plastic mount, this flexible silicone can absorb some vibration. This bicycle phone holder can withstand powerful vibrations and shocks. Additional, the soft silicone holder won't cause any damage to your valuable cell phone. Wide compatibility. Universal bike, stroller, grocery cart, wheelchair, treadmill, motorcycle, handlebar, 0.66 to 1.68 in diameter. Made of high-quality elastic silicone. Securely fit many cell phones between phone screen size 4.0–6.5. Compatible with iPhone 13 12 Pro Max, XS Max, SE, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 7 Plus, 7 6 Plus, 6, Galaxy S20, S10, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7, Note 8, Google Pixel series and more. What you get. 1 PC ORIbox bike phone mount. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for all size phones. I bought this for my bike, but lent it to my husband when he was leading a backroads ride. He hasn't given it back and it's been many months. He uses an iPhone 12 mini and I have an iPhone 12. This phone mount holds both sizes securely. It does not protect the phone from the rain, which is unfortunate if it starts raining while you're riding. I'm planning on getting another one of these because the phone screen isn't very responsive under the plastic cover of my bike bag. This mount makes checking GPS effortless.